hundreds, tens and ones on the abacus. Hundreds, tens and ones. 1 can be written 1. 1 or O is a one-digit number represent as 100 H, 1000 T, ones O. 10 ones. 1 10 can be written 10. 10 or T is a two-digit number represents as 100 H, 1000 T, ones O. 100 ones is equal to 10 tens is equal to 100 can be written 100. 100 or H is a three-digit number represents as 100 H, 1000 T, ones O. For example, one hundred, 2 tens, 4 ones is equal to 124.